This is the NXT drivetrain, which will be powering the entire robot series. It will be the Android NXT series that I'll be doing. This is built with the standard NXT set, which includes the NXT brain and 3 NXT motors. Those are multiplex to output to 8 separate outputs that can be parallel driven. So how it works is the top motor here, you can see, powers down along here to the differential right in front of you here. This differential, when being spun, has ratchets that limit either left drive or right drive. Depending on which direction this motor spins in, it will either actuate this driver, which basically inputs or outputs the gears on the front, and if it's reversed this direction, it will do the back side in the exact same manner. And that you can see the pipelining the gear train down through between the motors down in here, and that bends right through there and comes back again. Once those are chosen, you can then pick whether you're going to run 2 parallels in the front, whether it be 2 yellows, and they're independent with each motor control separate, or you can run 2 reds, or you can leave it neutral so as to activate the back side of those same motors. You can either run 2 blacks, 2 grays, or neutral again to let the other side go. You can also run, for instance, the grays and yellows, blacks and yellows, or reds and grays, reds and blacks. So you have every option of switching between them. And this is done simply with the NXT block powered on. I'm using a Bluetooth connected to the Asus Transformer Prime, which has NXT remote control on it. It's a great program. It's very simple and straightforward to use. It uses Bluetooth connectivity to connect to your Android and your NXT block. So if I'm powering this, it will allow me to change which side I'm operating, and then this, the top one, the actuator that actually lets me choose the gears, when that's being run in forward, it runs this side of the machine, and you can see it driving in and out the actual gear selection inside there. I get the focus on that if I can. And then if I reverse the direction of that same feature on this, I can either push down or up to pick that direction. You get the same effect on the back side, so that you can select the motors with the top one. You can also leave the device in complete neutral, which leaves all 2 or whatever number of outputs you're actuating completely neutral. Now this will be the engine or drivetrain for the future coming NXT robots that will be Android driven.